Hi guys, made some really nice extra cash on the last garage sale, really nice, but wait, is it real money or is it fake money? How to tell? It's really difficult. And I can tell you it's super important because last time when I brought some money from garage sale to the bank, they checked it and they told me some of them were false money. And I was super lucky that they didn't call the police, even though I didn't print it. I just took it from a customer and brought it to the bank. But that doesn't mean that you are not responsible for that. That's a crazy thing. So you better check. But how to check such bills? Yeah, there's a very easy way to do. I've just ordered this 4-pen set, which you can use and check such bills within a few seconds if they are correct or false. So here we have one of them. We just open it, it's like a normal pen, and then we put a mark on it, something like that. And if it turns out yellow, then it's real money. If it's black, then it's not real money, unfortunately. Do the same thing here again. You can see nice yellowish, almost invisible. That's real money. If you have black mark, yeah, better don't bring it to the bank. And so if you're dealing with a lot of cash, no matter if it's private or business, then this 4-piece set of counterfeit bill detectors can be an absolute lifesaver for you. So I can highly recommend it. And so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.